Good morning, students. Once again, in previous video, I will say that there are many forms of business organization, and in this video, I will discuss about the forms of private sector enterprises. There are five forms of private sector. One is sole proprietorship. Second, joint Hindu family business. Third, partnership. Fourth, cooperative society. And fifth, company. In these forms of private enterprises, all carry some features, some merits, and some demerits. It means in every form of organization or in every person, there is some features, there is some merits. Merits is also known as advantages, and demerits also. It means disadvantages, limitations, and drawbacks. In this video, I will discuss about the sole proprietorship, and it is the first form of private sector enterprises. You all know that sole proprietorship means single owner. Its name shows that sole proprietor. Sole means single owner. Sole means proprietor. Sole means proprietor. One means owner. Yani one owner. It means single owner. Everything is done, take, control, manage is by the individual only. Controlled by the individual only. It means only one person know totally what is going to be happen, what the profit earned or risks. Everything is in the hand of only one person. Now, after that, I will discuss the features, merits, and demerits of this. What is sole proprietorship? Sole means proprietor, one means owner. A business owned, managed, and controlled by a single individual is known as a sole proprietorship organization. It means business totally owned, apna, managed, and controlled by a single individual. Is known as a sole proprietorship. And after discussing the definition of sole proprietorship, now I am discussing about the features of sole proprietorship. Now, the features of sole proprietorship is: first, there are 8 features. First is single ownership. Second, formation and closure. Third, unlimited liability. Fourth, individual risk bearing and profit recipient. Fifth, one man control. Sixth, no separate legal entity. Seventh, lack of business continuity. And eighth, small size. Now, I am discussing about the first features in single ownership. It means the firm is owned by a single individual only. All the capital is supplied by the single individual from his own wealth or from borrowed fund. It means all the capital introduced, invested in the business is only by the one person or one individual, either from his own assets, own fund, or from his borrowed fund. या तो वो अपना पैसा लेके आएगा खुद का, या तो कहीं मार्केट से पैसा उठा के लाएगा उधारी लेके, तो वो पैसा लगाएगा. इट मींस टोटली कैपिटल इन्वेस्टेड इज ओन्ड बाय द सिंगल इंडिविजुअल. एंड द नेक्स्ट इज फॉर्मेशन एंड क्लोजर. देयर इज नो लीगल फॉर्मेलिटीज टू ओपन or close the sole proprietorship. There is no legal formality. There is no legal way. And there is no separate law for this. So it is easy to form and easy to close. It is easy to form and easy to close the sole proprietorship form. It is the very easiest asset to open and run by any individual. Because there is no law and rule to open, hence it is very easy to form and close. And the next is unlimited